The book of Isaiah, Yeshayahu, chapter 52. Awake, awake, put on your strength, O Zion. Put on your garments of splendor, O Jerusalem, the set-apart city. For no more do the uncircumcised and the unclean come into you. Shake yourself from the dust. Arise and sit down, O Jerusalem. Loose yourself from the bonds of your neck, O captive daughter of Zion. For thus said YAHUAH, you have been sold for naught, and you are redeemed not with silver. For thus said the Master Yah, at first my people went down into Mitzrayim to sojourn there, and Asher oppressed them without cause. And now, what have I here, declares YAHUAH, that my people are taken away for naught? Those who rule over them make them wail, declares YAHUAH, and my name is despised all day continually. Therefore my people shall know my name in that day, for I am the one who is speaking. See, it is I. How pleasant upon the mountains are the feet of him who brings good news, who proclaims peace, who brings good news, who proclaims deliverance, who says to Zion, your Elohim reigns. The voice of your watchmen. They shall lift up their voices together, they shout for joy, because eye to eye they see the return of YAHUAH to Zion. Break forth into joy, sing together, you waste places of Jerusalem. For YAHUAH shall comfort his people, he shall redeem Jerusalem. YAHUAH shall lay bare his set-apart arm in the eyes of all the nations, and all the ends of the earth shall see the deliverance of our Elohim. Turn aside, and come out from there. Touch not the unclean. Come out of her midst. Be clean, you who bear the vessels of YAHUAH. For you shall not come out in haste, nor go in flight. For YAHUAH is going before you, and the Elohim of Yahshar'el is your rear guard. See, my servant shall work wisely. He shall be exalted and lifted up and very high. As many were astonished at you, so the disfigurement beyond any man's, and his form beyond the sons of men. He shall likewise startle many nations. Sovereigns shut their mouths at him, for what had not been recounted to them they shall see, and what they had not heard they shall understand.